Hello, I am Professor Dr. Naveen Das and I am Dean Academics of Adamas University, Kolkata. Kolkata and education are almost synonymous. Right from time immemorial, Kolkata has played a dominant role in the scenario of education, not only in this country but also in this part of the world. Otherwise, where would you find one of the oldest medical colleges, not only in India but of Asia? It is the city which gave birth to Keshav Chandra Sen, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Ram Mohan Roy, and such stalwarts of education who brought modern education to this country. This is a city which has seen the second oldest engineering college of the country. This is a city which saw the establishment of the institute, the first institute which was focused on statistics. So education and Kolkata has always been in tandem. Look at the quality of education that this city has boasted of. It has produced the maximum number of Nobel laureates who have been Indians. And somewhere in their either educational or professional world, they were connected to Kolkata. Even today, if you go to the Ivy League schools or the universities of the West, I'm sure you would find many professors, celebrated professors, who had their education in this city. So whether it was the history or the legacy or the consciousness of quality, this city has always boasted of a leadership position in the field of education. In recent times, whether in the public sector or in the the private sector, this city as well as the state has taken strides, and today we have centers of excellence in West Bengal. Adamas University, with its 135 acres of campus, a green campus where minds thrive, not only of the students but also of faculty members, we have in this city. So welcome to the city of Kolkata, the hub of education. And just to borrow the words from the bard Tagore, this is a city where the mind has not been broken down into fragments by narrow domestic walls. And with such liberal-minded environment and with such love for diversity, the city of joy has thrived as a city of education. So welcome to Kolkata and welcome to Adamas.